hold your other hand right here. There you go.
That way when he swings that tail around and smacks his face, he's like, jeez.
1, 2, 3. And now look at your dad.
Rotate that.
All right, James done got this. Is that your biggest blue?
Yeah, biggest blue.
That's his biggest blue, 29 pounds. And we're gonna
turn him loose in the boat. Now before you let him go, stick your hand to that damn rope.
Yeah, put your hand to the rope, yep.
If he does that when you try to let go, guess what? They fly gone.
And lean him in the water and then open it up and he'll be a little easier to get him off. Yep, and just open them up like a pair of pliers. There he goes. There he goes. Good job, man.
Thank you.
I bet he's about 10.
All right, Thomas finally got one. All right, stop reeling.
Actually.
There you go. Oh, hell yeah, he's a 10-pounder.
Which one?
Oh, I see that.
You got all tangled up. There we go. All right, Thomas finally got one. Good job, man. You worked hard to get that fish, I'll tell you that. 1, 2, 3. All right, we finally found another one. Very close to the lake. Is there a fish on there? Or that's a bait.
Oh, it's big.
Other rod. There you go.
Time to catch a fish.
He ain't over here. That's your fish.
Another 8-aught to the face. Later, buddy. Alright, so we didn't do too much in the main channel, so we coming up here in a little flat, tucked back up in a creek, and the sun's coming out, so I'm hoping this sun is going to turn these fish on shallow, and we're going to see what happens. We got some free lines out, bottom bouncers, and just go on with the flow and see what we're seeing. Right now it's a ton of small bait out there, so where there's bait there's fish, so we just got to find them. All right, let's see what happens.
Get it?
Get him!
Come here, get it.
Get him, boy!
You got it, go ahead.
I was getting ready to mess with him, actually. Dang! Dang! You dragged. Hold on. All right. Trying to drown him.
So he need to grow up.
He ain't fighting.
Get some ass to his ass.
Oh man.
Ain't we cute? Hey, he likes you. You hear him talking.
Talking to you.
He said,
Alright, we got another good little exercise.
Going down there, you stop before you leave and you fill the car up. And you drive as far as you can.
You gonna catch that fish?
Thomas, you gonna catch it?
That's how I heard something.
I couldn't see nothing for Lurch sitting there.
I couldn't tell one look. I seen the rod was going over.
God, he drags him across the water.
Next month, few months. There's another challenge here.
Yeah.
You know you can do it. I ain't got to, man. You can't miss a challenge. A challenge like that is good.
I'm telling you guys, when these barbs get them, and you ain't got to worry about Thomas. You ain't gonna miss that hook set now. Look at that channel cat. I'm telling my wife to get the batter ready.
Down there, when a flock comes in, it's 10 to 15 in a flock. It's not.
Have you ever seen wood ducks?
Yeah. Oh, get him, get him, get him, get him. There you go. Look, when I watch you reel a fish, and I'm like, why is the rod so far in the sky? But just because you're so tall. Watch this big rod. Look good? Yep. If you do reach down to grab your leader, I mean, I grab my swivel itself.
Yes, sir.
Because it won't slide.
No sling.
There we go. Another little blue. Look at that. With you standing up there, he will. All right, guys, this ended us up for the day. Bite was tough. We started at 6 o'clock this morning, and it's 20 minutes to 6 this afternoon. So we put some time in. We finally found a few small ones up in the backwater. We got one nice one first thing, and we also got a few surprises along the way. At the last 5 minutes of our drift, what happened?
Got my fishing license in the truck.
Forgot the fish license in the truck, so he got a little ticket for that. But hopefully no big deal. He's just got to mail off that he actually has one, and they'll dismiss the ticket. And but all it turned out to be a beautiful day. Real windy to start off with. Sun came out, and it turned on a few fish. So we will see y'all later. I appreciate y'all coming out and
Thank you.
seeing me. And
My attitude's just as good now as it was when I started.
well, y'all have a safe ride home, and we'll see y'all later.
All right, thank you.
Let him go if he wants to leave you. We're gonna let this big one go. 73 pounds. Yeah, my man.
Visit King's Catfishing on Facebook to book your next catfishing trip.